What is going on, pros and average Joes? My name's Travis. Welcome back to RedBeard Lacrosse. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm stringing up a banger for the one and only viral legend himself, Mr. Slaps. Go give him a follow on Instagram. His handle again is at Mr.Slaps. Alright, great kid, great goaltender, and the kid wants to get even better by getting into the box game. He reached out asking some basic questions about heads and mesh, which I can touch on a later date, but we ended up going with the Nemi 3. And this is going to be a replica or a duplicate, whatever you want to call it, of the stick that I strung for Ethan Wood of the New England Black Wolves. Got some extremely great feedback from him, which is always welcome. I love it, and I decided just to give him the same rundown, the same loadout, and it should be great for him in the box game. Thank you so much, everybody that participated in my Santa RedBeard apparel. It'll be live until January 5th. I'm extending it a little bit due to popularity and people reaching out, asking if they could still get some stuff. There are a couple other designs on there, so check those out as well. Thank you so much. It means the world. It helps out with making these videos, buying materials, and just kind of keeping this whole thing running. Don't want to take up too much more of this video's time, so you guys can get back to watching. If you want any more tips, tricks, have any questions, or would like a stick strung by me, please shoot me an email at redbeardlax@gmail.com, or you can DM me at redbeard_lax on all social. I want to wish everybody a happy and healthy new year. It's 2021, everyone. This is the first video of the year. Hope to be making more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you to everyone that's been returning. You're absolutely fantastic and wonderful people. That's it for now, guys. As always, hope to see you out there.